Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Wow, another video, very unexpected of me. Anyway, here is the gel part of the crocodile jelly nails. Hope you like it. Here we go. Okay, so this is the gel version of crocodile scale nails. But before we get to the design, I will let you know what you can use as the base color. Okay, so to get the base color, you can do what we did with the polish. You can use an actual tint. This is I would say a tint gel. This is the Pregel Melon Drop from the Drop series. So it's actually quite translucent like that. Okay, then when you paint it onto the nail, it comes like this. It's a very light green, you know, clear, just like the polished version. Okay, so what I'm gonna teach you guys today is how to make your own tint if you do not have this or anything similar. So you get your palette, and my palette. As I said before, this is just a clear piece of acrylic. I have no idea where I bought it from, but I got it in a set of 3 and I don't know, Daiso or something. I'm gonna be using CRNailz clear base gel because I'm trying to get rid of it because I don't use it. But essentially, you just need a clear base gel. For the green, I'm using Leaf Gel, color 501. You can see it's quite a dark, opaque type of green. I don't need much. Let's see. Gonna be using my Barbie by Acegel color brush, flat brush to mix. Okay, it's gonna take a little bit of that, mix it in. It's not the same type of green, but you get the concept. Now, as I said with the polish, do not worry if it turns really opaque, because once you paint it on top of the nail, it will turn pretty translucent. There we go. This looks more blue than green, really. And with gel, if you don't have, you can work at any speed you want, because gel will not dry or cure or harden until you put it into the UV lamp. So there we have our custom made tint color. I'm going to pop that into the light for a minute. Okay. Sorry that I have to reuse the sample stands, but I actually had 3 of these and one went missing. I don't want to blame my nephew, but some of my things have gone missing. Oh, well, in the meantime, while waiting for that to cure, check out my nails. Oh yeah, baby. I think these are my last summer theme nails of the season. If you guys like these nails and you would like a tutorial, do let me know in the comments below. Stroke 2. I'm gonna keep this here for you guys to look at. That that's cured. Don't forget to put on a top gel to seal in that coat. Okay, I'm using Presto non-wipe top gel. It is my current favorite top gel. And pop that back into the light. Okay, and that's cured. Put them side by side. Okay. So for the design, as you can see, I'll bring it closer. The base color is the translucent green, which is this melon drop. But the top is slightly darker, more black type of color. So the first step is to paint the base. So you want this as light as possible. Well, for me, I wanted it as light as possible. Around there. Okay, pop this in the light for a minute. In the meantime, you want to make that top color, which is a darker type of translucent green. So take the palette. I wiped off the previous one. Grab some of that. You want to take more than what you used on the first layer. Okay, close that. I'm doing it in the morning, so I need to close my pot gels. The sun can and will cure your gel. And what you're gonna do now is you're gonna take a black. I'm using the Pregel liner, art liner in black. You don't have to use a liner color, but I feel this is more opaque. Maybe just the type of gel or brand you're using. So just take a little bit. Take as much as you want to mix in. I do this by eye, so I'm gonna put this. There we go. Just take a little bit, mix it in. If you can't tell the difference in color when it's all blotched out like that, just paint it on a little on the side. You can tell that it's actually darker than the usual translucent green, so that's what you want. When you want it a little bit darker, just add more. Okay, I'm gonna take your cured gel, your cured base coat, take a bunch of that, put it on top. Be sure to have it even. Okay, the next step is pretty fun, especially if you guys have actually done a blob liqueur before. Remember blob liqueurs, you know, they're still pretty popular with the Russians, if I believe. So I'm gonna reuse that brush I used to take up the black, which is the Barbie short liner by Acegel. Okay, for this next step, it's pretty fun. Just take your favorite top gel. I'm using Ageha Gel's non-wipe top gel. Okay, just take a good amount. Okay. Dot it. If it's not big enough, just put more. Now you see how the clear gel, it pushes the top layer and then it shows the bottom color, so that's how you get the scale effect. Put them evenly spaced between each other, then the lines will come up. And that's it. I'm gonna pop this in light for a minute. Final product. Be sure to seal up your design with the top gel. Pop that back into the light for a minute. And that's it. That's how you do an alligator scale design in gel. I think that I made the shells a bit bigger and it looks more like a turtle shell here compared to the crocodile scales, but you get the gist. Hey guys, okay, so that's the end of the tutorial. If you're all wondering why the lighting looks really different with the actual tutorial part and also the intro and outro part, is because I filmed it at 2 different times in 2 different places. This is actually the wall in my in-laws house, which is a very nice wall, but I don't have all my stuff here, so I can only film stuff that does not include nails. Yes. So if you like the video, you like the tutorial, you find it helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. Do comment below what else you would like to see on the channel. I'll try and put up as much content as I can. Usually the easiest stuff for me will be tutorials because it's easier to do, but when you live in a house full of people, it's a bit hard to record. Yeah, but I digress. Anyway, if I have time, I'll put up the videos of Jason and I going furniture shopping for our new place. And it's not done yet, but I will be putting up a before and after video, the before we renovated and stuff like that, and I guess our thoughts on buying our first home and renovating it ourselves and all that, life experiences. But that's sometime in the future if I get to editing, because it's already a miracle that this video has come up and you guys would know it. Anyway, enough of the jabber. See you guys next time.